What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another DIY project. Hey. I love me some DIY projects. Go ahead and check out my DIY playlist. I have all my projects listed there. But today, y'all, I am back with another Christmas DIY project. Now, I know it's only November 4th, but since Beyonce didn't change Halloween to November 3rd, so we're going to start Christmas a little bit early. I know some people got their trees up already. Comment down below if you got your tree up already, or when do you plan to have your tree up? Because I'm feeling like Thanksgiving night is when the tree's going up. But before December comes, I want to show y'all this super cute project. Now, I'm going to start with this one project. Now, I probably will go back to Dollartree, $1.25 tree per, and purchase more of these same exact items, except, hold on, let me get my toothpaste out of here. I'll purchase some more of these same exact items, but in different colors. But I'm going to tell you what you need. So before I do that, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Just say, hey, T, like this video. Stop what you're doing, pause, and like the video. Like the video. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. Click the bell if you enjoy the content, because if you click that bell, you'll be notified when I do post more videos. And share it. Why not share? Share it to your Facebook. Don't spit. Share it to your Facebook. Share it to your YouTube. Share it to your Instagram, share it to your Twitter, share it to your Snapchat, share it to your TikTok, all these dang old things. Honey, I came up with MySpace, but we all kind of just gather right there on Facebook, huh? Instagram, all that stuff. I liked it better when there weren't even like any social media platforms, but that's another conversation for another day. So what you're going to need is 2 of these clear bowls from Dollar Tree. Just 2 of these ones here. Okay. We need 2 of these clear bowls. Got a cute little design on there. Now, I was just at Dollar Tree. I seen that they had blue, pink. I'm going to go to another location and see if they have like red. You're going to need hot glue gun, your hot glue sticks, or you can use that stronger glue, that E6000 or whatever the heck it's called. You can use that as well. But I'm going to use my good old Dollar Tree hot glue gun and my Dollar Tree hot glue sticks, because my thing is when I'm doing a DIY project, a Dollar Tree DIY project, I want to use every single item, everything from Dollar Tree. I don't like to mix my DIYs up, because if it's a DIY project for Dollar Tree, it's a DIY project from Dollar Tree, and that's it, and that's all. But I did grab these, I did grab these LED wire lights, super cute, and they have little candy canes on them. See that? Super cute. And I will also upload new finds from Dollar Tree too. There were so many cute items there, so many like nice decor items, pieces and stuff like that. So check out your local Dollar Tree, because they have some fire stuff there. Also, go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms, but mainly Facebook, because I really do be on Facebook. It's LifeAsTeeElle, or you can follow me on the page where I really be at the most, which is Tamara Freeman. That is my name, Tamara Freeman. So you can follow me there. Not follow. Yeah, is that follow? Add me. Follow me on there, Tamara Freeman. And also have a TeeElle page, but I'm not on there as much. But I welcome you to follow me on the Tamara Freeman page, so you can see a lot of my reels that I post, repost, and all that other stuff. But let's get started, because I'm just talking at the mouth. So, of course, I'm talking out the mouth. I ain't talking out the air. But you also will need tape. I don't know if I said tape. And that's it. So your 4 bowls, your hot glue sticks, your hot glue gun, your LED lights are optional. These are battery operated, so I do have 2 AA batteries here. So let's get started by taking these stickers off here. Because don't nobody want them stickers on there. So just pull your stickers off. And I do not have my nails on. Y'all, I started a new job. Congratulations to me. And I just haven't found time to like really put my press-on nails on. So I'm gonna get back to it though. I've been wearing my lashes on and off. Honestly, about the lashes, I kind of want to tap back into my natural beauty. Not to say it like that, but I'm gonna be romantic composed false. Let me put them right here. I want to like be natural as far as like I've been wearing like mascara instead of lashes. But all right, let's get started with the first bowl. Open up your lights. All right, so they come like this. I can't wait for Thanksgiving, y'all. I am so pumped up for Thanksgiving. Like, I know everybody says this, but I probably should diet after Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm getting to that age where it's kind of like, all right, girl, like, you're getting a little too comfortable with that extra weight on you now. Come on now, get together, work it out, work it out. But, so here's what you're gonna do. That's a little dirty piece of tape. After you unwrap your lights, they're 3 feet long, you're gonna start to just tape them around your bowl. And I don't want the tape to be too big. Because I don't want it to be, I mean, you're not gonna really be able to see it well, but I don't want it to look tacky. You can just honestly throw the lights in there if you choose, but I'm gonna choose to tape it. So I'm gonna tape the side, and then I'm gonna tape one at the bottom. Okay. This is, I didn't even tell you guys what I'm making. This is a Dollartree Christmas decor candy. So that's what I'm making. I don't even know if I told y'all that. If I did, good. You heard it again. If not, there you go. But that's what I'm making here. And it's gonna look so cute. You can go indoors or outdoors. I'm gonna put like a baggie over this if I choose to put it outdoors. So now I'm gonna take the remainder of my lights and I'm gonna stick it inside my second bowl. Make sure you leave the battery out. And I'm going to just tape that down. And the tape I'm using is just that big. Literally, it's a little tiny square. All right. Now it's time for hot glue. I'm gonna hot glue the rim of the bowl, and then I'm gonna stick that first bowl on top of the second. I seriously love DIY projects. You cannot go wrong with DIY projects. And honestly, I think that I did see a DIY project where someone redid their stove, and it was super dope. So I'm thinking about doing that with my stove. I'm gonna hop over. And you have to work fast because it's hot glue. If you work with hot glue, you know it dries really, really fast. Really, really fast. So work fast. Go on top. Let's make sure it's... Okay, let's push down. If you see that there's hot glue just left over, just kind of rub it off. You know, it dries fast, so it's not too hot. It's nice and warm. And just pull it off, just for a nice clean look. If you watch my other DIY project, which I made the Valentine's Day candies, which Valentine's Day is coming up, so go ahead and watch that video. But you can honestly use those candies for any holiday at all. So I'm probably going to make something for my kids this upcoming Valentine's Day, but go ahead and watch that video because this is very similar to what I'm doing for this project. Get your pretty bowl, and we're going to hot glue it just like so. All right, so let's do it. All right, come on, hot glue, get in there. All right, so we got this hot glue on there. Boom. Just hold it down for a minute. Don't push too hard, but hold it down for a minute. Okay. Flip it upside down. Super cute. And this is also very similar to my punch bowl that I made. Check out that DIY as well. I'm telling y'all, check out that DIY playlist. If you like DIYs, check out that playlist, babe. Let that playlist run. Like all the videos, share them out. Okay. Hot glue the rim of the other bowl. We're going to glue it on just like we did the last one. These little candies can go on your tree, outside on your porch. This is another cute project. Actually, if you leave it like this, you can put some little candies up in there, decorate the inside a little more. Really cute. So we got like, what, 2 projects in one? I would say 3 projects in one because I had got another idea, but I'm going to keep that to myself. All right. Boom. Here's your candy. Now let's put our batteries in here. I'm pretty sure this is going to look better at nighttime or like when it's darker in here. Let me stick this so I can get this thing off of the batteries. But go ahead and follow me on Facebook because I'm going to do a reel when it's nighttime and I'm going to post this on my reel when it's nighttime because I want to get this video out for y'all to see it. Today is November 4th. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Yay, yay. Okay, boo, how I get this thing off? This easy project and I can't get the battery cap off? What is going on? TeeElle, get it together. Get it together. Yeah. Slide it up. Okay. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. So I kind of figured out what the issue is with this battery thing. It's asking me for a screwdriver. So, I understand why they even did all this for this little battery pack. Let's see if this works. I ain't got time to be searching for no screwdriver. It's in the basement and toolbox. I ain't doing all that. Y'all see it on the reel. Oh, okay, here we go. All right. Super cute. That is super cute. So it's going to look better at nighttime, but this is a super cute candy. Got the lights in there. I cannot wait to make some more candies with the different colors. But how cute is this? I'm probably going to make the blue one next. I'm going to search another location for some green. But these are super cute candies. And comment down below which other DIY projects you guys would like to see me make. Because I have a lot in mind, but I'm not going to do all of them. So stay tuned for more DIY projects. Go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up. Comment down below. Also subscribe. Click that bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Share me out to your friends, your family, strangers. Just share me all over the place. Share me everywhere, honey. Share me everywhere. Also, I'm so proud of myself because my DIY shirt folding board got over 3 million views on the reels. My daughter's DIY hairstyles for Crazy Hair Day, I got over 500,000 views on that. My reels. Also, my DIY punch bowl got over 400,000 views, reels. So, and just a bunch of other smaller reels, or reels that I, just day-to-day things got thousands of views and stuff like that. I mean, you have your days, if you're a content creator, you have your days where you might get 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 600,000, a million, 50,000. It's up and down, but you just got to keep going, be consistent, which I'm also working on myself. I'm taking my own advice. I take my own advice all the time. You're supposed to. But just keep going. Even if you're not a content creator, just stay consistent. Stay positive, stay productive, pray, if you pray, just keep rolling, just take it day by day, because I think that everybody's just trying to hang on, babe. So just keep on going, but this is a cute little project here. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I'll see y'all in the next, oh wait, y'all like my shirt? It's like the baseball, I got it Christmas in July from the baseball games. Y'all watched that live. I think I was live, I was going to watch that live, but the shirt is so cute. I wore it to work today, and they started playing Christmas music at work, so I'm just like kind of like in the Christmas spirit. So that's why I started a Christmas DIY. But thank y'all so much. It's my favorite holiday. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I'll catch y'all on the next vlog. I'm out. vlog. That's next DIY. I'm out. Peace.